you are, Mummy Truck. Your new tyres should be all set. All right, mechanicals, let's load up that fence. We don't want another truck to get a flat tyre too. Baby truck, wait! You mustn't go off by yourself. Baby truck, where are you? Spinning screwdrivers. With this rain, we'll need eyes in the sky to find Baby Truck. Ah, that's it.
Cat, can you hear me? It's Gecko. We've lost Baby Truck. Can you help?
Claro que sí, Gecko. I'm on my way. Oh, I see tire tracks. Follow me.
Come on, Mummy Truck. We'll find your baby.
No te preocupes, Baby Truck. Grab on!
Of course. Baby Truck needs her dummy to feel safe. But how can we get it to her?
Think faster, Gecko! The water is rising!
I have an idea. Here you go, Baby Truck. Now let's get out of here. We're all safe. But next time, remember to never go off by yourself, Baby Truck. Thanks for the help, Cat.
No problema.
Oh.
Oops. Looks like the next stop is Geckos Car Wash.
All done. With these improvements, you'll be unstoppable, mechanicals. Oh no! Blue, come back! Blue! He's too high up for us to reach him. We need some help.
Bueno, this is Cat.
Cat! It's an emergency. We need your help to rescue Blue.
Got it, Gecko. It's rescue time, Helena.
Thanks for coming so quickly, Cat. This tracker says Blue's close.
Oh! Maybe closer than you thought.
He's running out of fuel. Now's our chance. Cat, lower me down to Blue.
Time to be un superhero.
Oh. Oh! Don't worry, Blue. I'm right here. Oh! Blue! Time to test those improvements! Oh!
¡Qué padre! I didn't know geckos could fly.
Neither did I. Good job, Baby Truck. We're almost done with your driving test. You just need to reverse up this ramp. Don't worry. Slow. Easy now. Nicely done! You passed your first driving test, Baby Truck.
You call that a driving test? Now this is a driving test, eh, Sleigh?
What exactly are you testing for?
How much better we are than you. is too easy for me. Slide, you oversized toaster.
Help! Baby truck, we have to rescue them. Take your time. You can do this. Great touching, baby truck. Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. I'll have you down in no time. Just like you reversed in the test, baby truck. Nice and steady. There we go. Safe and sound, Sleigh.
Well, looks like I finished that driving test quite nicely.
Baby truck, you're like no other. You passed the driving test with flying colours. Hello, everyone. We're just finishing Miles's fresh coat of paint. It's a special surprise for Grandma.
Oh, I don't like surprises, Gecky. Unless they're good, of course.
OK. Open your eyes for a special surprise.
Holy handlebars! What a perfect paint job. Oh, Miles, it really suits you, darling. Let's go for a spin and show you off.
One at a time, Lex.
You should be the first to ride, Gecky. In you get.
Be good, Max. We won't be long.
Isn't it wonderful to be together on the open road again, Gecky?
It really is. Look out, Grandma!
Handles like a dream. Barely noticed you were there, Gecky. Gecky?
Spinning screwdrivers! I need to make this steady. Phew! It worked! But I don't have any spare brakes! Oh!
Woo! Hang on, Gecky! Grandma's coming!
Just keep driving straight, Grandma! I have an idea! Take good care! Always carry a spare!
Just like I taught you.
Oh! Phew! That was too close. I'll need to make some adjustments.
I was thinking, maybe some rocket thrusters?
Oh, Grandma. Hello, everyone. We're busy today. It's really important we keep Dylan's water levels topped up to keep his engine cool. Ready, mechanicals? Go, go, H2O! That's not good, mechanicals. There's no water coming from the pipes.
Oh, it's wonderful!
Soggy screwdrivers. Mr. Weasel's fountain is using all the water.
I thought frogs liked water.
We still need some clean water for Dylan's engine, or he'll overheat.
Not so fast, trash can. This is my water from my tap.
I know, Green. Water's for sharing, not wasting.
Oh, it's raining. My lovely hair might get wet. Oh.
Thanks, Blue. But we need to collect the precious rainwater. Quick, mechanicals! Use whatever you can. Great job, everyone. We've got the rain to thank for filling Dylan's tank.
Yeah!
Wow! What a lot of water Dylan's collected. We won't waste a drop of it. All jobs done. Before we use water, it's important to think how we use it wisely to wash, fill and drink.
Ah! fountain.
Oh, Mr. Weasel, you'd best get a mop. And remember next time not to waste a drop. Hello, everyone. We're just upgrading Eric's arm so he can dig holes even faster.
Ha! Call that an excavator? What rubbish! Behold, Sly's new mega drill. You don't stand a chance, Frog. I'm the finest mechanic in history. Watch. Help! I can't. Stop!
Oh, no. Mr. Weasel's drill is out of control. Go, go, Mechanicals! Red, are you okay? Aha! Mr. Weasel's magnet. Of course. Eric, I have an idea. Your arm is strong, so it's okay. Let's use this magnet to save the day. No, Eric!
I hate that.
You're safe now, Mr. Weasel. But, oh dear, there's a lot of mess to clean up.
I don't see why I should have to clean it up. This isn't my fault. I'm okay.
We'd better get a rope green. See you next time, everyone. Bye. Success, Mechanicals. Another happy customer.
Oh no! It's a disaster! Oh.
What's wrong, Mr. Weasel?
It's Sly! My precious sports car has a dirty mark.
Sly's welcome to use our car wash.
Huh. My Weasel Wash is far superior. Come along now, Sylvester. Stop dawdling. You need to be here. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, not me, you robotic wretch. Oh. Sly! Do something. Oh, no, you clumsy clown.
Sly needs our help, Blue. Quick, grab my toolkit.
Oh.
Blue, hand me my wrench. This Weasel Wash has gone wacky. Are you okay, Mr. Weasel?
Never better.
Glad to hear it. Oops, Mr. Spot. Hello, everyone. I'm re-spraying Bobby the Bus. And Grandma's playing cops and robbers with the Mechanicals.
Hurrah! We caught the robber red-handed. Oh, Bobby, you look ready to take me home in style. Bobby, what's wrong, dear?
Bobby's lost power. Let me check your battery, old friend. Spinning screwdrivers! Bobby's battery's missing. An electric bus can't move without a battery.
We'll find Bobby's battery. Detective Mix, look for clues. Aha! Our first clue.
These parts belong to Bobby.
But these prints don't. It seems we have a real robber on the loose.
Follow the trail.
Aren't my new lights spectacular? My sign will attract more customers than you'll ever get, Gecko.
How are you powering those lights, Mr. Weasel?
Oh.
Look, there's Bobby's battery.
Well, I only borrowed it to power my lovely lights.
But Bobby needs the battery to power his motor. We're taking it back to him.
But my lovely lights! Oh, the silly wires won't reach the plug. Oh.
Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's Garage, it's fixing time. Grandma's using Tilly's winch to lower the battery inch by inch. We'll make sure all the wires are connected and secure them with bolts that Blue collected. The battery provides an electricity feed that powers Bobby's wheels to move at speed.
At least Bobby's back to full power because I could use a sit down. Care to drop me home, please, dear?
Thanks for coming, Grandma.
Oh, help me! Gecko! Please!
Oh, come on, Mex. Let's help Mr. Weasel. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. It looks like our friend Helena needs some repairs.
See, Gecko, Helena's grabbing arm is stuck.
It really is. Let me take a look.
Shh, mechanicals. Today is Gecko's birthday, so let's make the best surprise party ever. That means keeping a secret, okay?
Could I get a wrench, please? Mechanicals? Mechanicals! Ah, thank you, Red.
Looks like our bouncy castle could use a little more air. Yellow, could you please hold on to these balloons for a moment? Blue, please check for Grandma Gecko. She'll be here any moment. Yellow? Yellow! Oh no!
Red, I know what's going on now. I figured out how to improve Helena's grabbing arm. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. To get your parts moving smooth and quick, we'll use some oil to make them slick. Now what if we added something new? A few more jobs your grabbing arm can do. Not all problems are grab or tow. You'll need different tools as you go. With your new grabbing arm in place, there's no problem you can't face.
Gecko! Yellow is holding too many balloons and she's floated up to the sky! Vámonos!
We're coming, Yellow!
Those balloons make it very difficult to get close, Gecko.
Time to test my improvements to Helena's grabbing arm. Let's try and push Yellow back towards the garage. To lower Yellow down nice and slow, we'll pop one balloon at a time. Hang on, Yellow! You're almost down! Yellow! Phew! Yellow's okay! going on, Cat?
Surprise! It's for your birthday! We're here to celebrate how much you mean to all of us. Feliz cumpleaños, Gecko.
Thank you so much, everyone. Let's party! Ho, ho, ho! Hello, everyone. Santa Gecko here with my elves. It's Christmas time! And Gecko's Garage has transformed into Gecko's Grotto! We have a list of festive fixes for some of our friends. Their presents are wrapped and ready for my merry mechanicals to fit them. Ah! Wrenches and reindeer! They're here! Get ready, everyone! Ho, ho, ho! Welcome, Vicky, Fiona and Mama Recycle. I heard you've all been very good this year. First on the list is Vicky. You asked for a new ice cream cone. Go on into the grotto. Your gift awaits. And Fiona, you wanted a new fire hose. Your watery wish will be granted. Mama Recycle, you asked for a new grabbing arm. Let my elves grab that for you. Ho, ho, ho! Oh, no, no, no! Something's not right! A grabbing arm for Fiona, an ice cream cone for Mama Recycle, and a hose for Vicky? Oh, no! We have a mechanical mix-up! There. Don't be upset now. Everyone makes mistakes. What's important is you try to fix them. Grab your tools, it's fixing time! And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Come on all, let's try again and match the right present to the right friend. Grabbing arm, ice cream, hose. Let's work out where each one goes. A hose sprays water when things get hot. Fiona Fire Truck will use this a lot. Mama Recycle's grabbing arm is next. To pick up the waste that she collects. One more fix left for our team. So let's attach Vicky's giant ice cream. Way to go, Merry Mechanicals! You fixed the mix-up just in time for Christmas! When mistakes happen, it's always best to fix them. Until next time, everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! Hello, everyone. Today is very important. It's Recycling Day.
Oh, rubbish day is rubbish. Oh, hello, Frog. Why have 5 bins when you can have 1?
Ah! Here comes Mama Recycle to collect it all now. Mama Recycle! Watch out! Spinning screwdrivers! Poor Mama. Go, Tilly Tow Truck! Let's get you back on your wheels. Nuts and bolts. Mama's grabbing arm is bent. And she's all scratched too. Lots for us to do, Mechanicals. Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's Garage, it's fixing time. Your grabbing arm is bent right here. But don't worry, I have a clever idea. With some heat, the metal will bend and repair this part of our special friend. And don't forget some fresh paint too, so you will look as good as new.
Oh, help me! The wretched rubbish has returned!
Nuts and bolts! Mr. Weasel's trapped by his own waste. I don't think Mr. Weasel knows how to recycle. Let's show him how. Go, go, Mechanicals! You see, Mr. Weasel? Recycling can be fun.
Well, you're not very good at it. You missed one. This is too much effort already. Oh, soup.
Thanks, Mama. See you soon. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Mr. Weasel's challenged us to a game of football. And I've got 2 terrific trucks on my team.
That trophy is mine! Frogs Flops can't match Weasel's winners. Remember, Max, you stay in goal. Because you blocked the whole thing.
Start your engines. If you have one, that is.
Good luck, team. Enjoy yourselves.
And they're off. Baby truck is dribbling. With the ball, that is. There's no way past Max the Monster Keeper. Oh, Weasel's wheels go on the attack. Great tackle. Oh no, Baby truck has a flat tire.
Oh, baby, what rotten luck.
Weasel to Sleigh, who runs into Tilly. Now Tilly's exhaust has fallen off. This game is bananas.
Pass to me, Sleigh. You'll only miss. Oh, no! That was your fault, Sleigh.
Oh dear, you two need a fast fix.
Ooh, it's half time.
Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Baby's hurt, but brave all the same. With a brand new tyre, she's back in the game. Tilly's exhaust fell off with a crash. So let's reattach it quick as a flash. Now we've had a little rest, let's get back out and try our best.
Stop dawdling, you two. We have to win, whatever it takes.
Team Gecko on the attack, prepared and ready to go. Wowee! Tilly's faster than ever with her new exhaust.
Look out!
Now, a ropey challenge by Weasel. Red card.
Never.
Seconds left! We could win it with this free kick! Go, go, team!
Go! Geckos Garage!
No, not fair. Cheating usually works for me.
Well done, teams. Fair play won today. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. It's Christmas Eve. And these lights are ready!
Perfecto, Gecko. It's wonderful to spend a Noche Buena with you and the mechanicals. Make a wish. It's a shooting star.
I'm not so sure, Cat. Oh, no! It's Santa!
That's the last time I go to Weasel's Wheels for repairs.
Santa, are you okay?
I'm fine, but my sleigh's far from all right. These presents must be delivered before morning light.
We'll need to replace the engine at the garage, but with Helena's help, we can get the sleigh moving again and deliver presents on the way. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. First things first, tow it inside. In no time, the sleigh will glide. This sleigh skis are damaged and cracked. A new set will get us on track. Does Helena have extra skis like that?
Got them right here.
Thank you, Cat. Twist and bolt the skis right here. Listen well, we'll have to steer. Now please, Helena, pull us away to deliver these presents for Christmas Day.
Stunning! Thank you, Gecko. You're missing just one thing.
Thanks, Santa. Hurry, Cat! It's almost morning! Well done, Merry Mechanicals! We saved Christmas! On to the garage! Well, Santa, it looks like there's one last present left to give.
There is? Did we forget someone?
It's your present! Merry Christmas, Santa!
Oh, thank you, Gecko. You're a true friend of mine. Merry Christmas until next time. Oh, oh.
Hello, everyone. Today we're holding a fix-up fair at the garage. And Grandma's here with her famous apple pie. Huh?
Oh.
Hello, Mr. Weasel. Can we fix anything for Sleigh?
Fix? Ha! I don't need help. Sleigh can make far tastier ice cream than Vicky. Watch!
Oh.
Oh, delicious!
Oh, ignore him, Gecky. Showing off gets you nowhere. We have work to do. Come on, let's change Vicky's wheels.
Ah! You lot are stuck in the past. Wheels? Welcome to the future. Caterpillar tracks! Marvel at my genius! Wobbling whiskers, what's happening?
Oh, dear! That gadget's gone wrong!
Oh, confounded machine! Must I do everything myself? Help!
Come on, Grandma. Let's stop that car. Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's Garage, it's fixing time.
That's it, Gecky. Climb on top. And use this wrench to make it stop.
These crawler tracks roll round and round. We'll take them off to slow slide down. Blue, We'll need a car jack, please. It's the perfect tool for jobs like these. These gadgets put on quite a show. With wheels back on, you're good to go.
See, dear? There's no point in all these flashy gizmos and whatchamacallits if you can't get the basics right.
I had it under control. My gadgets are just a bit sensitive.
Like I said, showing off gets you nowhere.
That's right, Grandma. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're off to visit Kat. She asked me to bring some special things belonging to my grandpa. And here we are. Wow-wee! Oh, Kat. Are you here? We saw your lovely display and... Huh?
Cálmate, Gecko.
Huh?
It's just face paint for Dia de los Muertos.
Dia de los Muertos? What's that?
It means Day of the Dead. My family celebrates this holiday to remember our loved ones who have passed on. Mi ama, my mother, was an ace pilot. This was her compass. Do you have anything for me, Grandpa?
My grandpa was an inventor. Before he died, he made the famous Gecko Specs, a nifty gadget to help you see better in all kinds of situations. I know that horn! That's Bobby the Bus! Sounds like he's in trouble! Oh, it's no good! It's too dark to see!
Gecko, ven acá! Helena's spotlight can find Bobby in the dark.
Good idea, Cat!
Still too dark. I can't see Bobby.
What would Grandpa do? We don't need extra light. These Gecko Specs work best at night. There! I see Bobby! Let's go in for a landing. I'll radio Tilly. Glad we heard you, Bobby. Looks like your battery's gone flat.
We can charge him at my base.
Perfect, Cat. And with a little towing, we can get Bobby going. A flat battery isn't much trouble, but needs recharging on the double. There you go. Your battery will be full by morning.
You did a fantastic job finding Bobby in the dark, Gecko.
It's thanks to you, Grandpa. Your Gecko Specs saved the day.
Even if you can't see him, your grandpa is still with you, Gecko.
Yes, I'm glad he is.
Boo! Happy Halloween, everyone! Welcome to our ghoulish garage! Huh? That must be Trevor delivering his Halloween pumpkins.
Yeah.
Oh no! Someone's stolen Trevor's pumpkins! Who would be so mean on Halloween? We'll help you find your pumpkins, Trevor. Now that we've finished decorating the garage, come and see. Our celebrations were all too brief. It seems that there's a Halloween thief.
Come on in and have a squeal. My haunted house is a steal. Not so fast. It'll cost you a bucket of candy each. No, Sleigh! You overgrown pumpkin catch! Oh!
Sounds like Carrie's in trouble. Come on, Blue. Barry's in danger. Show us the way. Huh? Spooky screwdrivers. Let's get you out of here, Barry. Thanks, Blue. You really are my knight in shining armour. Go, Barry!
Gecko!
I'll help you, Mr. Weasel, if you promise to return everything you've stolen.
Oh, okay. I promise.
There you go, Trevor. Now everyone can enjoy your Halloween pumpkins.
Oh, I hate pumpkins. Not funny.
Bye, everyone. Happy Halloween. Hello, everyone. I'm test driving Miles the motorcycle and... his throttle keeps getting stuck, so it's hard to slow down.
Oh, about time we fix that. I'll have a look in the garage for a spare part. Come on, little ones. Oopsie.
I'll help you find it, Grandma.
The radio is still broken. Huh? Don't worry. Gecko will fix you. Oh, meow wow. Look at you. I've always wanted to ride a motorcycle. Woohoo! Ándale, motocicleta!
Here it is, Miles.
Grandma, you'll need this screwdriver. What's the matter, Grandma? Cat got your tongue?
No! She's got my motorcycle!
The throttle's stuck. I can't stop.
Spinning screwdrivers. Hang on, Cat.
We have to hurry. Come on, Gecky. May I fly you, dear?
You know how to fly a helicopter?
A tad rusty, but once a pilot, always a pilot.
Cat, are you okay?
Gecko, this motorcycle is out of control. It won't stop.
Because we're still repairing him.
I should have asked first. Wait, who is flying Helena?
No time to explain. I have a plan. Grandma, lower me down. Oh! Time to help our friends in need with a fix to lower Miles' speed.
Hurry, Gecko! I don't like water!
Right now, Cat!
I'm sorry for borrowing the motorcycle, Gecko.
Well, actually, Miles is Grandma's friend.
Wow! You must be Grandma Gecko. I'm Catalina Felina, but my friends call me Cat.
Pleasure to meet you. If you wanted some motorcycle lessons, just ask. I'm your gal.
You have the best grandma ever.
Why, thank you, dear. I like her, Gecky.
Until next time, bye!